Hi and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be learning how to draw these very cute kittens. So on a sketchbook, mark the shapes of the kittens using your pencil. So I'm drawing over here 3 ovals. I'm just placing them at different angles and positions so that it gives a very aesthetic feel to the 3 kittens. So you don't have to be perfect in drawing your circles or your ovals. So I'm using a Sharpie right now to add all the details, and I'm starting with the one at the top. I'm showing one hand of the kitten on top of the one which is below it, and the other hand just waving at us. You can add any expressions that you want as well, and you can even add some accessories. Third kitten is also going to have very similar eyes to the second one, but it's going to have a completely different expression. So how I'm going to achieve this is by just changing the shape of the eyes. So instead of having it like a U, I'm having like an inverted U. So it makes the entire thing seem a little different, even though we're not doing a lot of different things. So I have the third kitten ready, and I'm going to make them hanging on a wall right now. So to get the shape of the bricks, I'm just drawing like these rectangles. You don't have to do it this way. You can also draw parallel lines and just add the vertical lines after that. But if you want to experiment with this style, I would recommend you to try this out because it looks a little more organic. Once this is ready, it's time to now erase all our pencil marks and get ready to add in the colors using some watercolor paints. I'm using the basic Camel artist watercolor kit, and I'm just going to add some patterns of patches on top of the kitten. So each one I'm going to use a different one. Like for example, for the first one, I'm going to do a ginger cat. So I'm not going to cover the entire thing in orange, but I'm going to add like a little bit of patch on top of it. So first I'm doing is the brick wall, and later on I'm going to add colors to all of the kittens. You don't really have to use watercolors. You could also use some color pencils or some crayons to add in all the colors. So paint along with me, add in the colors to your illustration, and let's have some fun. If you observe in real life, cats have a lot of different kinds of patterns and patches on their bodies. So you can just replicate one of it that you see, or you can just go really crazy and go creative and make something which you have never seen before. So for my second cat, I'm just going to add some really cute blush on the face, and I'm going to add some pink in the ears. So it looks like a very cute white cat. For the last one, you'll notice that I'm not using a very dark black. I'm using a diluted one, so it looks more grayish because otherwise my illustration will get hidden. It won't really look very nice, which is why I've made it more of a grayish color than a black. Now as a finishing touch, I'm just going to add a little bit of background color, and I'm going to add in the sky, but I don't want to add it in the shape of a rectangle. I'm going to make like an inverted U and just fill in whatever I feel like. So I hope today's video has been useful for you, and if you're new over here and you haven't already subscribed to my channel, then please do consider subscribing to it. I hope today's video has been helpful for you, and I will see you soon for the next one. Bye bye.